Okay, we're back here to do an RV lifestyle video. We put this skirt on for a while back, and we've been fighting with the people. I'm telling you right now, we've been fighting with it. Mainly finding a tape. We didn't want to do the buttons. We tried the foil tape. This is a foil tape right here. You can see it's not supposed to harm your camper. That's foil tape up here. All right. The problem was with the foil tapes, it sticks to the camper really well, but it didn't stick to the vinyl very good. And we've had issues with it. So what we have been doing is trying different tapes. And what we're doing is sticking it to the foil tape. The foil tape will come off of here, and honestly, we try to keep black. That way it kind of matches the camper. Now, I don't know about that silver 3M foil tape. We didn't want to put that on here because it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. We wanted to try to keep it kind of black. This is some clear Flexi Seal tape somebody gave us, and we tried that, and so far the Flexi Seal tape is working the best. This is some 3M right here that's extreme weather. It seems to be doing okay. This here's some Gorilla tape, and it didn't work very well at all. And you can see even the extreme weather 3M is peeling right there a little bit, and it has peeled off in other places. So we do have a roll of 3M. The thing about 3Ms, it's got to be dry when you put it on. And if your camper's wet and it starts peeling off, then you'll have to use the 3M. Now this piece, for some reason, is still just the foil tape. And this section here has not had an issue with the vinyl. But as you can see here, we had issues with the vinyl again. It just didn't stick to the vinyl, so we put some Flex Seal tape on it. And it seems to be holding pretty good. The 3M Extreme Weather is doing okay, but as you can see, it's peeled right there, and that's probably going to be a problem because there's ice in it now. Over here, this is just the foil tape. Still hasn't came off. Here's foil tape. It seems to be doing an okay job, but in places it works, and other places the foil tape didn't work. And finding something to stick to that vinyl has been an issue. So what I'm thinking about next year is we'll do the black foil tape again on the body. If it peels off and doesn't damage the camper at all, we'll use the foil tape. And then I'm thinking we're just going to do away with it and spend the money and do the Flexi Seal tape on top for the vinyl to attach to the foil tape, and be done with it. But for the most part, I will tell you this, doing the skirting on the camper or water, it got below wind chill last night. It was below zero. We've got snow on the ground right now, and I know a few other people that's in this campsite, their water's froze. And now granted, we got a pretty good heated belly in this Solitude by Grand Design, and the reason I know that is because I've got a temperature gauge in the belly of this, and when my gas heater kicks in, it dumps air into the belly of this at a phenomenal rate. It's probably dumping more air in the belly than it is inside the camper, because it comes up quick. And it's worked really well. We haven't had an issue with, and look up there, we got icicles. I mean, it's cold here, people. But yeah, we have some icicles everywhere. And I think right now I'm somewhere maybe close to 14 degrees out here right now. And that's not including wind chill, and the wind is picking up a little bit. So his flag's moving a little bit over there. So yeah, but the skirting doesn't look bad. We get this tape situated, which we think we've got now. This here is some black Flexi Seal I just put on here because this was coming down, and I didn't even mess with the other tape. I just bought some Flexi Seal and put it back up with. But it is more expensive tape. I don't want to stick it directly to the camper because it's probably not going to come off, and that's why I said I'll still buy this black foil tape that you see right here, and then I'll put my vinyl about this high and then stick my Flexi Seal to the vinyl and to this black tape, and that way I can peel this off, and I won't have it on the camper. The Flexi Seal will never be stuck directly to the camper, and I think that's what we're going to do from now on. If we have to use this vinyl again, that's how we'll apply it next time. It'll be a combination of the foil tape along with the Flexi Seal tape, and that'll just save us a lot of hassles coming out here and fixing this stuff, which we're not having to do very much anymore. Like I said, this 3M Extreme, it has worked. You can see here how the 3M is stuck to the foil tape. It's not stuck to the camper, it's stuck to the foil tape. And and it does work. I mean, our water didn't freeze. It got down below 0, and we still got both hot and cold water. And the belly of the camper, like I said, is staying relatively warm. And that's it for outside the camper right now. I bought this vinyl at marinefabric.com, I believe is where I got it at. It's marine vinyl for upholstering marine seats for boats and ships and sailboats and stuff like that. So it's supposed to be a pretty good product. It seems to be holding up real well. It's not tearing no place. And in most places, like right here, it still looks like it's brand new up against here. It does get splash up when it rains, but as you can tell, it's still fairly clean and looking good. So it was definitely been worth putting it on. It's working. It's doing what it's supposed to do and keeping the wind out from underneath the camper. All right, y'all have a good day.